Okay, question 2. fxy is x squared plus y squared square root, okay, times e to the power of sine x squared y. Okay, so you want to know what's the partial derivative of x when x is 1 and y is 0. Right, so what do? Okay, you can of course get fx first, right? You can get this expression, and then you can substitute x with 1 and y with 0, okay, and get the answer. Right, this is what we usually do, but if you try to do it, it's of course a possible way, but if you try to get the partial derivative of x, you can see it contains 3 factors of x, right? And then so it takes a lot of time. So is there an easier method? Okay, you can try this, right? You can try this, but is there an easier method? So remember, when we talk about the partial derivative of x, we are fixing y, okay? So in this specific case, this y is fixed at 0, right? So why don't we get the function's form when y is fixed at 0? How will that function look like? Okay, so just substitute y with 0, you'll get x squared times 0. So this first part is x, this part is x squared's square root, which is also x. This part, it's e to the power of 0, it is 1. Okay. So since your y is fixed at 0, right, so this fx 1, 0 is exactly, if you just differentiate the fx 0, okay, and then substitute x with 1. Okay, they have the same effect. So now it's much easier. You just have x squared, you just have to differentiate x squared, right? You just have to differentiate x squared and then substitute x with 1, right? So it's 2x when x is 1, which is just 2. Okay, so this is a much easier method. Then you get to fx first and then do the substitution. Okay, it's all because when you talk about the partial derivative, you are fixing all other variables. Right? Since we already know y is fixed at 0, so we can first fix y at 0 and then do the partial derivative. Okay.